Hey guys, Sherri here from Plants for All Seasons, and I want to talk lawn because you know I love a beautiful lawn, but with the stresses come problems. So let's talk about some of those problems. And yes, we had a wet early summer, but we're in the July fry, and so the stresses are going to be amplified because wet was stressful. Now we're going into hot and dry. So double the stress. We're gonna have a lot of problems. I know in my home yard, I'm having chinch bugs already, which is crazy because we were just so wet, and I'm having sod webworms. So we're gonna talk about a few things here. I wanna talk about what can we do to help the lawn out and manage that stress. MicroLife, which is a local company, it's one of my favorite products, this Humates Plus 004, kind of takes the stress off of your lawn. It does come in a liquid form, so if you feel like you really need to throw something at it that's going to remediate the stress quicker, then you could go with the liquid Humates. But this dynamic duo right here, Humates Plus in a granular form, it's concentrated compost in a bag, and Super Seaweed. Super Seaweed is magic in a liquid form. It does all kinds of amazing things, from stimulating root growth to slowing down transpiration. That means it's slowing down its need for the water, which reduces the stress. So it makes your plants and your lawn more resilient in stressful times. So stressful times, hot, wet, dry, cold, you name it, Super Seaweed's gonna help your lawn get through it. Now, if we're dealing with insects, we need to isolate what the insect is and understand what it is and what it's doing. Chinch bugs, when we get hot and dry, that's when the chinch bugs come in. They're always there, but when the stress really intensifies, that's when their numbers are able to build up enough to do damage. So two different products you could use on that. Pick one. If you've already fertilized, then just go with the bifin. It's a 0.2% bifenthrin. See the active ingredient right here, bifenthrin, 0.2%. Granules, you put them down, water them in deep to activate the granules. That's going to kill the insects. Now, if you haven't fertilized, and it is not too late to fertilize, you can still fertilize when it's this hot. Just get a high quality fertilizer like this Turf Star by Nelson's. It's a 20010. It's got high quality nitrogen in it, but then they put the bug killer in there. So it's a one, dump it in the spreader and go. So both of these products will kill chinch bugs. You only need one or the other, but if you haven't fertilized, go with the Turf Star. If you have fertilized, then go with the Bifin LP. Water it in good, chinch bugs will die within 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes the damage gets a little bit worse before it gets better. Next thing I've noticed are little moths flying through the yard. Sod webworms, if we start getting rainy again, sod webworms are going to explode. So let's get ahead of it. If you spray liquid molasses once every 2 to 3 weeks in your lawn, the little caterpillars that come from the moths, so the moths are the flying stage, they'll start laying their eggs, then the eggs will hatch, the caterpillars will hatch out of the eggs, and then they'll start eating your grass. They can't metabolize the molasses. This is a non-toxic way to treat for sod webworms. So if you can get out and do some preventative maintenance, if you're seeing the moths in your yard now, spray molasses on the regular. It's going to help your grass thrive. It stimulates your biology and it kills those caterpillars. So there you go. Lawn Care 101, surviving the summer heat.